Delhi police seizes heroin during Naka checking. Poor road condition troubles commuters in Umrangso. Good morning viewers and welcome to Karbinglong Live. Your visually baby bringing you the top stories for today. Now the news in detail. Karbi Anglong police is doing significant job in the task of making Assam free from drugs by carrying out successful raids and seizure of narcotic substances being smuggled into and outside Assam. The police are also receiving praise of people for their commitment. On Monday, during a special Naka checking carried out by Lahorijan police outpost in charge Manujal Gogoi, a big quantity of heroin was recovered from a vehicle. More from our correspondent's report. The special checking was conducted on receiving specific information from its sources. Accordingly, while checking an LPG truck with a registration number AS01 KC 4951, a heavy amount of heroin was recovered. On receiving information about the seizure, SDPO Bokajan and Bokajan CI, along with Delhi police station officer in charge, rushed to the spot and brought both the seized narcotic substances and a vehicle to Delhi police station. While addressing the media persons, Bokajan CI stated that the weight of the seized drugs was 5 kg 5 gram and its market value worth around Rs 30 crores. A cash money of Rs 50,000 was also seized from the vehicle. He also informed that the narcotic substances was brought from Manipur and headed for Guwahati.
SI Manujal Gogoi, IC Lahorijan PP, তেওঁ নাগা চেকিং সেটআপ কৰে নাগা চেকিং সেটআপ কৰাৰ পিছত তাত এখন গাড়ী সার্চ কৰা হয় এই নাম্বাৰ আছে A01 KC 4951 তাত কিছুমান সাসপেক্টেড কুকুৰা দেখা পোৱা যায় আৰু এই লগে লগে আমাক খবৰ দিয়ে মই আহোঁ এসডিপিও ছাৰ আহে আৰু ওচি দিলাই যায় আমি আটাইজন গৈ গোটেই গাড়ীখন সার্চ কৰা গাড়ীখনৰ পৰা আমি 10টা টুকুৰা এটা কাৰ্টুনৰ ভিতৰত আনিছিলে আমি 10টা টুকুৰা দিব লাগিব আৰু সেইখিনি আমি
In connection with this case, the 30-year-old driver of the vehicle, Ismail Ali, son of Akbar Ali, resident of Jogikhopa village in Bongaigaon district, has been arrested. Vijay Rongpi's report from Delhi, Karbinglong Live. Keeping in line with the global event of the World Tourism Day, the Jagwe Asong Tourism NGO of Deephu celebrated the event on Sunday. Worldwide, this day is celebrated to lay importance on the scope and opportunities of livelihood in tourism industry, as well as to promote the natural beauty of a place. Above all, it also delivers the message to protect and preserve nature. Here is a report of the event organized by the Jagwe Asong. The NGO celebrated the day at Langvoku picnic spot under Delhi police station. During the program, Langvoku Development Committee members were also present. Led by Jagwe Asong President Agustin Timung, everyone joined in to carry out a plantation drive in the picnic spot. It may be mentioned that Jagwe Asong was the first to popularize Langvoku waterfall to the world. Locals have thanked the NGO for such initiative.
Jadi, kalau kalau menjadi kadang itu sedang cengke, kami kan berpikir hisap itu 1953 sini itu ada bangku apa jenis banglo, tapi ini itu lahan pehita, itu masuk ke langku somna juga belum bambu. Kita langsung kapasitas kita langki, ada tiga tu langki kita lakukan
The Jagwe Asong has urged upon the visitors of Langvoku not to litter the area in order to protect the waterfall and maintain its natural beauty. Jagwe Asong also requested people to take care of the cleanliness of the surrounding. News Desk report, Karbinglong Live. For now, let's take a break. More updates after the break. Humridam ikta. Di Purong Supialong, Kicheng Sik Mate, Non Hedjong Kangpumi, the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers Akuladalong, Nanglitum Anam Kijumpen, Blanket Mate, Kachiomapik, Kachin Thanga Peri, Osomar Aperi, Karbia Pindeng, Peseleng, Pini, Pekok, Lapen Kaprek Aperi, Kechogawarsai, Long Igji. Lapen Nanglitum Jongsi, Akuladalong Kedam Japan, Apordu Redat Pusitami, Matha Igri. Bangso Akuladalong Pen, Keton Kevanawarsai Sitami, Long Igji. Lasi Humridam ikta, the tidy town dry cleaners and launderers along. Adim Lake, Dipu Ronghelan, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Adum. Welcome back after the break. Normal lives of around 6 villages in Lakhijan have been severely affected after the Assam Power Distribution Company Limited under the Bokajan subdivision disconnected electricity following bill payment issues. More from our Bokajan correspondent. According to source, the power department disconnected electricity since September 18, 2020, after consumers of these villages failed to clear their bill. Due to blackout, following the disconnection, residents of these villages have been facing tremendous hardships, especially at night time. Apart from being not able to charge their phones, use TV, fridge, these villagers are vulnerable to attack from wild animals, especially wild elephants, which have been known to frequent these areas. Meanwhile, villagers also allege that electricity have always been very irregular during normal days, but the officials are never bothered about it. But when it comes to payment of bill, they become very mean and cause huge problems for consumers. Villagers further allege that electricity bill have also been inflated on numerous occasions, but the consumers would always be made to pay even if it's not accurate, telling that it will be adjusted in the future. Following blackout, residents of these villages have urged upon the KAAC, BJP leaders and MLA for their immediate intervention on the matters to release power at the earliest and release them from their hardships they have been facing following disconnection of electricity. Anantirang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live. Poor and dilapidated roads are the biggest problem and issue for people of both Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau districts. The Autonomous Council of both districts has so far failed terribly in providing provision of good road to all parts of the district. Decades after decades have passed, but the district still struggles to assure efficient roads to its people. Term it as negligence or deprivation, people are facing the outcome. Here is a report of such neglected road in the Umrongso. Although there have been talks about Umrongso as an industrial town which could boost the tourism department of the Mahasau, the condition of roads in the town shows a pitiable picture of the town. The 13-kilometer long road inside Umrongso have been lying unrepaired even after being the main linking road for the people. When people talk of Umrongso, they only imagine about its natural beauty, and like them, the authority also remembers the town only for festivities. People here say that the competent authority is not given enough importance to roads in the town. The ongoing monsoon is adding more intensity to the pathetic condition and is creating great trouble for commuters. Local residents have frequently urged upon the authority for early and timely repair of the road. Linson Ronghang's report from Umrongso, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.